In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a questionnaire in Tally.so. This is a simple and effective way to gather information, whether it's for research, feedback, or any other purpose requiring data collection. Let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Tally.so and hit enter. Look for the correct link to the main site and click on it. Once you're at the home page, go ahead and log into your account. Logging in ensures you have access to all the features we'll be using today. Once you're logged in, you'll see a button labeled New Form. This is your starting point. Click it, and you'll be presented with options to either start from scratch or use a template. If you're new to form creation, starting with a blank form might be the way to go, as it allows you more flexibility in customizing your questions. In the form editor, you have the ability to add content by clicking on the plus button or simply typing car. This gives you access to a menu featuring various question types. For instance, you can use short answer or long answer options for text-based responses. These are great when you need a detailed written response from your participants. You also have multiple choice questions at your disposal. They're perfect when you want respondents to choose from several options, providing a streamlined way to collect consistent data. Additionally, if you need specific contact information or numerical data, there are question types like email, phone, and number entries to help you gather such details accurately. Another useful feature is the file upload option. If you ever need to collect files from respondents, such as documents or images, this can be a real game changer. Plus, adding a rating or ranking question can provide valuable insights into your respondents' opinions and preferences. Don't forget to add design elements to make your form more engaging. From the header bar, you can add a cover, a logo, and customize themes to make your questionnaire visually appealing. You can even guide respondents through the form using conditional logic, which allows you to display specific questions based on the responses given earlier. If you have a lot of questions, consider breaking your questionnaire into multiple pages. This can make it less overwhelming for respondents and improve their overall experience. Simply type "all page" to add page breaks where needed. Once you're satisfied with your form's design and content, click Publish to make it available to your audience. Tally.so will then generate a shareable link. You can easily copy this link and distribute it via email or social media. Alternatively, you can embed it on a web page to reach a broader audience. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident in creating your own questionnaire using Tally.so. Thank you for watching.